Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a survey with Google Forms. So for starting, you're just going to open Google Chrome and select grid icon at top right corner and just scroll down till you find Forms. Just click on it. And you can select blank to start to create Google Forms. Alright, you have to prepare the survey materials and advance starting from the title, description, question, and you also specify the respondents. Write in not like me or in Google Docs. So you can enter the title, just copy paste, for example, and enter the description. Right. So you can create a new page by click the add section icon on the keyboard. There are two sections for the second section. You are just going to change, and then you can create the question. So to make it easier, I use it to make a survey by selecting the option multiple choice grid. So you can create the question. For first question, just copy paste and so on. For the second question, third question, so for the columns you can create the answer. So the answer according to information in the description, this is agree, disagree, undoubtful, agree, disagree, and doubtful. Right. You can see review, next. So the respondents just click on the answer, paste it, and then click submit. Alright, after done, you are just going to go to settings and for response, you can turn on the limit to one response, and then you can go to sync and you can make it certain and copy and send to anyone. Alright, that's how you can create the survey with Google Forms. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for